Good morning guys. Good day. How are you there? I hope you're all doing fine. Let's do this guys. So we are lifting this 60 inches diameter 60-inch diameter pipe spool with plans and elbow. It's very technical rigging. We're just going to transfer this and give to other crane for erection. This is 60 inches elbow pipe spool with elbow and plans. We are going to transfer this, and the other crane there, the red crane, will erect this to the pipe rack. He cannot reach that area where this was being cleaned for final inspection. So I have to lift this and bring close to that crane, the red crane. Supposedly I am going to erect this, but I have another job, so he decided to have the other crane. Very technical rigging technique. See the balance, the load. Okay guys, thank you very much.